Okay, so for this slide, I think we just stick with three core values: responsibility, privacy, and fairness.
Makes sense. It's already kinda long. So we add a short example under each one.
Yeah, like for privacy maybe just say don't share someone info without asking.
Right, and for fairness, something like design system that work for everyone.
Or maybe make sure people have equal access, especially if we mention rural areas.
I like that one. It's more concrete.
Cool, let's go with that. I'll write it down. Responsibility sounds good. Too broad though. Any ideas?
Maybe something like use teach in a way that doesn't harm others. Still simple but gets the point across.
Yeah, that works for now. We can polish later. Okay, next, do we keep the scope of ethics as its own slide?
It's a yes. It's king of allies, privacy, security, cyber cyber crime.
We could maybe split it into two slides if it feels heavy.
Let's keep one for now and adjust later if it looks cramped.
Oh, by the way, did you finish the list of IT professions?
Yep, programmer, analyst, network engineer, database admin, cybersecurity, IT support, web dev, UI UX, project manager, and data analyst.
That's 10. So we write a sentence for each.
Just one line, like cybersecurity specialist protects systems from attacks. Done.
WUX, then something like design user-friendly and ethical interface.
I'll add one for IT support helps users solve the technical issues, short and clear.
Perfect. Now, do you want to connect jobs back to ethics?
Yeah, like how each role has to follow ethical standards.
For sure, we can just add a separate slide for that ethic in profession.
Good idea. We'll say things like data analysts must keep data confidential, and programmers shouldn't add hidden features.
So we also mention UI, UX again 3.
Maybe like the soul use the pattern to try user.
Love it. I'll include it. Oh, and fonts. Are we still using Monster?
I had switched it to Helios and plain both. Looks cleaner. We can try both and compare the long. I had switched I had switched it to Helios and plain both. Looks cleaner. We can try both and compare later.
By the way, the last slide. Are you ready? A thread or a takeaway line?
Actually, definitely for that, ya. This is important. Terima kasih is alright.
Yeah, that one solid, short and classic.
Because it can slowly at the end.
Nice. Okay, let's recap this structure. For the first, it's title and intro. The second is antics, definition. The third, core values, fourth, scope. Fifth, IT profession, 6 ethics in profession, and 7 conclusion quotes.
So it stands like, sounds good.
So we include reference to.
No, it's fine. I think PowerPoint slide text doesn't really need any reference.
Got it.
Cool. I'll finish visual after this.
Alright, real close. Let's finish this today so we don't lose tomorrow.
Agreed.
Let's go.
Well, apparently the guy in our group showed up the next day in class. So we dragged him back to shot another video with him this time, still revolving about the same material. We're very sorry for the lack of professionalism and any inconvenience this may cause. So now I present to you the part 2 of our discussion video.
Okay, we've done the title and the intro slide. Let's go to the first and real content.
The one about computer ethics?
Yeah, we need to explain what is meant, right?
I think so. Maybe something like it's about how we use technology responsibly.
Right. Maybe say computer ethics means knowing what's right or wrong when we use technology.
Yeah. We can also say it's about laws and moral, like legal stuff and personal values.
Exactly. It's not just about rules, but also about doing the right thing online, like not stealing software or private data.
Oh yeah, that's a good example. And maybe something about how we solve great others with respect online.
Oh, that's a great idea. I'll write that down. So we put definition, examples, and why it matters now.
Yeah, maybe we can also say it's getting more important because technology is everywhere now.
True, everyone use phones, social media, apps, even little kids know.
That's why knowing it's not only for its professionals but for everyone.
Alright, I'll put that into the second paragraph.
Shall we do a slide for K at its value, like responsibility, fairness, and privacy?
Yes, that will be easier to explain.
So we just got short bullet points that talk more in the video.
Sounds good. Let's say responsibility using tech in a safe and fair way. And fairness, giving everyone the same chance with access to technology and privacy, keeping people's data safe.
I'll also add small icons next to them, just to make it less boring.
Okay, can we add on one small example for voice?
Yes, like for private, don't post someone else's info with respect.
Absolutely. Well, then now let's wrap this up.
Masih kita kurangnya.
Later, if it looks fair.